rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Your name alone is worthy, forever you remain. You have carried me through fire, you will never let me go. In the storm you are my anchor, your love has made me whole. I will not be afraid. Your spirit goes before me, your mercy lights my way. You are faithful through the ages, your promises are true.